Okay, by now we have discussed enough basics which are related to Lightning Web Components. And now let us try to go ahead and try to understand the life cycle which is associated with Lightning Web Components. And whenever we try to create the instance of a component, it is going to invoke the constructor which is associated to this particular component, and the constructor will be put within the JS file. Let me try to quickly create the constructor for this component, constructor. And whenever we try to implement the constructor, there are a few guidelines that we need to follow. And the first guideline is, first statement within the constructor always has to be a call to super method. And you have to use this keyword only after invoking super method. And the next thing is, we cannot have return statement in the constructor. And the third thing is, if you have few tags within the component, do not try to inspect them within the constructor. That is because by the time execution comes here, they don't exist. These are a few things that we need to understand. And the constructor flows from parent to child. What I mean by that is, if you have a child, something like this, which is being embedded in a parent, something like this. And if you also have a constructor which is associated with the child component, like this, then the constructor which is associated with the parent gets invoked first. And then the constructor which is associated with the child invokes.